The marvel of satellites, how they work and their diverse applications. Introduction. Satellites are fascinating pieces of technology that have revolutionized the way we live, communicate, and understand our world. From providing critical data for weather forecasting to enabling global communication, satellites play an indispensable role in modern society. But how exactly do these marvels of engineering work? And what are their various uses? Let's dive into the world of satellites to uncover their secrets. How satellites work. 1. Launch and orbit. Satellites are launched into space using rockets. Once they reach the desired altitude, they are placed into orbit around the Earth. There are different types of orbits, including geostationary, polar, and low Earth orbit (LEO), each serving different purposes. Geostationary satellites, for example, remain fixed over a particular point on the Earth's surface, making them ideal for communication and weather monitoring. 2. Power supply. Satellites are equipped with solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity. This power is used to run the satellite systems and instruments. Some satellites also have batteries to store energy for use when they are in the Earth's shadow and cannot receive sunlight. 3. Communication systems. Satellites communicate with ground stations using radio waves. They have antennas that transmit and receive signals. These signals are used to send data back to Earth and receive commands from ground control. 4. Onboard instruments. Satellites carry various instruments and sensors depending on their mission. For example, weather satellites have cameras and sensors to monitor atmospheric conditions, while communication satellites have transponders to relay signals. 5. Stabilization and control. Satellites need to maintain a stable orientation to function correctly. They use gyroscopes, reaction wheels, and thrusters to control their position and orientation in space. This ensures that their instruments are always pointing in the right direction. Uses of satellites. 1. Communication. One of the most well-known uses of satellites is in communication. Communication satellites enable global telephony, television broadcasting, and internet services. They relay signals between different points on Earth, allowing people to stay connected no matter where they are. 2. Weather forecasting. Weather satellites provide critical data for meteorologists to predict weather patterns and monitor natural disasters. They capture images of cloud formations, track storms, and measure atmospheric conditions. This information is vital for issuing timely warnings and preparing for extreme weather events. 3. Navigation. The Global Positioning System (GPS) relies on a network of satellites to provide accurate location information. GPS is used in various applications, from navigation systems in cars to tracking devices for shipping and logistics. It has become an essential tool for both civilian and military purposes. 4. Earth observation. Satellites equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors are used for Earth observation. They monitor environmental changes, track deforestation, measure ice cover, and assess the impact of natural disasters. This data is crucial for scientific research, environmental conservation, and disaster management. 5. Scientific research. Satellites play a significant role in scientific research. They are used to study space weather, monitor the Earth's magnetic field, and observe distant celestial objects. Satellites like the Hubble Space Telescope have provided breathtaking images of the universe and expanded our understanding of space. 6. Military and defense. Satellites are also used for military and defense purposes. They provide reconnaissance, surveillance, and communication capabilities to armed forces. Military satellites can monitor enemy movements, track missile launches, and ensure secure communication between different units. 7. Remote sensing. Remote sensing satellites collect data about the Earth's surface and atmosphere. This data is used in agriculture to monitor crop health, in forestry to track deforestation, and in urban planning to manage land use. Remote sensing technology has numerous applications in environmental monitoring and resource management. 8. Space exploration. Satellites are essential for space exploration missions. They serve as communication relays for spacecraft, provide navigation assistance, and gather data about other planets and celestial bodies. Satellites like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter have been instrumental in exploring the Martian surface. Conclusion: satellites are incredible feats of engineering that have transformed our world in countless ways. From enabling global communication to advancing scientific research, Their contributions are invaluable. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect satellites to play an even more significant role in shaping our future. Whether it's exploring distant planets or improving life on Earth, satellites will remain at the forefront of innovation and discovery.